If your fiddle leaf fig is dropping leaves, turning yellow, or just not growing, don't worry. 90% of the time, the problem is one of these 5 mistakes. Once you avoid these mistakes, your plant will look healthier, greener, and fuller. Let's fix your fiddle leaf fig. Mistake number 1. Too little light. A fiddle leaf fig can survive in low light, but it will not thrive. Low light equals slow growth, yellowing leaves, and leaf drop. Place it near a bright window, preferably east or south facing. If you can place it in shade outside, it will be totally different. If they get right amount of light, you'll notice leaves getting bigger in size. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of bright indirect light daily. If indoors is dim, use a grow light. If the plant is stretching or leaves are smaller, that's its way of begging for more light. Mistake number 2. Watering more than it needs. The number 1 reason fiddle leaf figs suffer is overwatering. These plants hate sitting in wet soil. When the roots cannot breathe, they start rotting and the leaves turn brown and fall off. In spring and summer months, water them when top 25 to 30% of the soil dry out. In winter, let the top soil dry out about 50%. Stick your finger or a chopstick in the soil. If it feels moist, wait. Always use a pot with drainage holes. In nature, these trees grow in fast draining soil with rainfall that dries quickly, so they are not used to constant moisture. Mistake number 3. Sudden changes. Fiddle leaf figs hate change. Moving them often, placing them near AC, heater, or drafty windows stresses the plant. Keep placement consistent. Stable temperature between 18 to 27. Avoid cold drafts and AC wind. If you bring one home and it drops a few leaves, that's just adjustment shock, not always a care mistake. Mistake number 4. Wrong potting mix. Regular garden soil is too dense. It traps water and suffocates the roots. Use a well-draining mix. Ideally, mix these in your potting mix: coco peat or peat moss, perlite or pumice, pine bark or orchid bark. Root health equals to leaf health. If roots can breathe, the plant will grow. Mistake number 5. Ignoring dust on leaves. This one surprises many people, but dusty leaves block light. And since fiddle leaf figs rely heavily on their big leaves for photosynthesis, dust slows their growth. Gently wipe the leaves every 2 to 3 weeks with a damp cloth. No oil, no milk, just clean water. If your plant is having brown spots on the leaves, watch this video. Link is also in the description. So remember, good light, proper watering, drainage, consistency, and clean leaves, that's the recipe. Fix these 5 mistakes and you'll see new growth, shiny leaves, and a happy plant. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.